How to delete Khan Academy account. I am going to show you how you can easily delete your Khan Academy account. If you would like to delete your Khan Academy account, please follow these steps. Log in and select your profile name found in the top right corner of the page. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once on the settings page, scroll down and select Delete your account. Before the deletion process can be completed, you will be asked to verify your account by typing in your account's password or by authenticating through Google, Facebook, Clever, or Apple. If you try to log back in within 48 hours, your account will not be deleted. The account will restore itself and you'll be notified of this through an email. Another thing to keep in mind is that you have a child's account linked to your account. You will see a message stating under Delete Account, you must delete all of your child accounts before deleting your account. Child accounts can be deleted on the same page by following these steps. In Settings, scroll up to Child Accounts. Select Settings found on the right side. Scroll down and click on Delete. Before the deletion process can be completed, you will be asked to verify your account by typing in your account's password or by authenticating through Google, Facebook, Clever, or Apple.